If you're having trouble signing in to your TickTick account, don't worry. Login problems are usually caused by incorrect credentials, network issues, or temporary app glitches. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TickTick login issues step by step in 2026. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an enabled caps lock key before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the *** forgot password ** option on the login page and follow the instructions to reset your password. Next, check that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent TickTick from communicating with its servers. If you're using the TickTick app, force close it completely and reopen it. Then try signing in again to see if the issue has been resolved. Now, make sure you're using the latest version of TickTick. Visit your device's app store and install any available updates. If the problem continues, clear the app cache on Android devices, or reinstall the app on your device to remove any corrupted files that might be causing the login issue. You should also verify that you're signing in with the correct method. If you originally created your account using Google, Apple, or another sign-in provider, use that same option instead of entering an email and password. If you're trying to sign in through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try a different browser to rule out browser-related problems. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact TickTick support through the Help Center and provide details about the issue so they can investigate your account. And that's how to fix TickTick login issues. In most cases, checking your login details, resetting your password, and updating the app will get you back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.